Here in this video, I'll show you how you can use Telegram Scraper. So there are some things that we need to keep in mind. Firstly, this is a Python script, meaning it will support many platforms such as Windows, Android, Mac, Linux, and many more. Just make sure you have Python version 3.12 installed in your system. There may be some errors that I'll fix in this video. I'll guide you step by step through everything from installation to problem solving and how to use it. Paste the zip file on the desktop and extract it. Now, in the top box where the folder path is shown, click the box and type cmd and press enter. This will open a new command prompt window in the extracted folder. Now, before entering commands here, you have to install Python. Let me show you that. You can see that Python isn't installed yet because the command isn't working. Open any browser and go to python.org. Now download the latest Python version. After the download is complete, open the downloaded file and run it. It will ask you to install. Make sure you check these two options while installing. Now, after the installation is done, Python commands will work. Also, pip commands will be available that we need for installing requirements.txt file. You can see that both commands are working fine, which means that both were installed correctly. Now enter this displayed command to install required packages from requirements.txt file. If your system already has the required dependencies, like C++, then you may not get any errors. But if any error comes, then you have to fix that by following the next steps that I'll show in a while. Copy this link from the error message and open the link in any browser. Now, after the page is loaded, click Download Build Tools to download the Microsoft Visual Studio Build Tools application. Open the downloaded file and do as I do here. Make sure you check mark C++ out, C++ MFC, C++ CLI support, C++ modules, C++ CLang tools for Windows and Windows latest SDK. For me it's Windows 10. If you have Windows 11, then check mark for that. Now click Install to start downloading and installing the dependencies. It will take much time to download and install. Please wait patiently. I'm fast forwarding the video to save your valuable time. After the installation is complete, go to the command prompt window and enter the previous command again to retry. You may get an error while installing aiocsv. If you didn't get an error, then it would be good to go, or else you have to fix this error by following the next steps. Open requirements.txt file with Notepad to edit it. Before the line that starts with the text aiocsv, put hashtag. It will tell pip to skip installing because we have to install this package in a different way. After saving the edit with Ctrl+S command, go to command prompt and enter the same previous command to retry. You can see other packages are installed successfully. Now enter the displayed command to install an aiocsv package. Now all required dependencies and packages are installed successfully. The setup process is done. Now we can use the script properly. We will have a file named main.py. Just need to run that file with Python. Enter the displayed command whenever you want to start the script. After starting the script, you will see a bunch of few options. Option 1 is to log in your Telegram account with phone number and OTP. After logging in at least one Telegram account, you can scrape members from any Telegram group. Let's try option 10. This option is for scraping a group where group members are hidden. Make sure to join the group where from the first account that you log in here. You can also join group from this script using join chat option. This current option will list all joined groups. Enter the group number that you want to scrape. You can see scraping group members started. Now let me explain to you how this hidden group members scraper works. This will use your Telegram account to automate going through group messages from bottom to top. So people who talked in the group will be listed by the script. You can keep waiting to finish reading all group messages, or you can press Ctrl+C to stop scraping and save currently listed group members in members.csv file. Now, let's try adding scraped group members to our group. For this, enter option 7. Now enter group link or username. Make sure to allow the permission to all group members to add users. Only one Telegram account isn't enough to add all scraped members. My account was limited by Telegram after adding some. This is only for demonstration. For understanding about Telegram limitations, a link is provided in the video description. Script has a smart account switching feature. So if you log in as much as you want, the script will keep switching to the next account after getting limited by Telegram. Now, let's try option 4. This option is for scraping groups that have visible group members. You can see group members are scraped. Group members data will be saved in members.csv file and it will be used later for adding to our group. There are many other options such as report chat and join chat that will use all your Telegram accounts that you've logged into. There is also an option for deleting useless logins. This option is for removing useless Telegram accounts that you logged into previously but were limited by Telegram for adding group members. We also have other options, and some options are coming in the next update, so make sure to subscribe to this channel to know about updates.